I know what's the plan of fun, bro?
We are going to edit.
Bruh. So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are at Afan's home and we are here because of some things. Firstly, we needed to take some pictures for our Instagram page, which I discussed yesterday that we need to take some professional or casual pictures for our Instagram page. So when we reach to clients, it doesn't look like a bot approaching them. It just looks like real people are approaching them. So yeah, here we are. Afan, say hi.
Hello.
So here we are again. He's in my vlog. I don't know if he's in the vlog, so my video might get boosted for some reason because the first video which I recorded with him after 1 month, that video got boosted and it got like 70 views as of now. So yeah, we have taken some pictures. Let me show you. So this is some pictures and it's not completely edited yet. So it's as I said, it's in that that obviously not. So as I said, these pictures it doesn't need to be look like professional. That uh, it's taken in the studio or some kind of thing. So it just look like that real people are approaching and we just showcasing that we are working. So yeah, obviously we are gonna take so many pictures in the future as well by the time. But for now, this is the pictures. And what time is it right now?
Then namaz time.
Yeah, around 1:15 p.m. and it's like namaz time, so we will go for Juma and then we'll see what we have. So yeah, be right back.
2 hours later.
So here we are done with the Juma prayer and now I'm just setting up my laptop. And as you can see, this is my laptop, this is tripod, this is the clip, and this is the tripod that I use for my mobile. So basically, a fun is inside, and we will go inside and we will not use our laptop. We will use our mobile for editing. Maybe I will show the time lapse. Let's see what we will do. But let me show you. Let me tell you what was the work of this tripod. So basically, I brought this to take some pictures, and this is the laptop for some editing stuff or just for shooting. And this is obviously for holding the mobile. This is for vlogging and in my bag and let me show you if I have something extra as well. Yep, this is the drive. So basically I bought the drive to transfer all the data if needed because I usually keep the hard drive. So yeah, that's the thing. Let's wait for a fun. As you will come, we will go inside and then we will do the editing stuff. So here we are at in his room and his PC is starting which is not visible because of the exposure. Never mind. Yep, now it's visible. So yeah, I know what's the plan of fun, bro.
We are going to edit.
Bruh,
We are not going to edit.
guys, no words, no words. So here we are at our home, and I came from Afan's home around 2 p.m. Yep, 2 p.m. And I was just very sick because my sleeping schedule was not that good already. And yesterday I slept around 4 a.m. and I woke up around 10. So yeah, it's kind of sucks. So that's why I was very sleepy kind of thing. So that's why I didn't record. But right now I just posted the picture on Instagram. Let me show you. So basically, this is a picture of us. Earlier, it has so many posts I have shared in the previous videos as well. So this is the post. This is basically a normal post. It didn't have to be that much professional. And the caption is: "We walked on the street of success. We walking on the street of success, working on our first project of our agency. Exciting things ahead." So this is the thing we are working on it, and we have collected other pictures as well. Let me show you. So this is on my WhatsApp, and these are the pictures I am thinking to post further. Here, as you can see, this is my picture. This is collective picture of us. We will remove my friend, obviously. We will count this side as well, and this is a picture of us as well. So this is the thing. I hope it will go well, as I am thinking. Plus, we had the meeting as well with the contractor, but for some, I was just checking the mic. For some reason, he didn't come. I guess there was some issue of internet of some kind of thing. So he said to us that he will come in the meeting tomorrow. So today around 10 8 p.m. we have the meeting with him, and I guess I will show some clips of him as well, like we doing some meeting as well. And yeah, that's the thing. I guess I will end the vlog here. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.